Hey friends, today we're going to be unboxing a fairly large painting. This was on my wish list. I've been doing some unboxings of Diamond Art Club canvases that I've wanted that have been on my wish list forever, and as they come into stock I've been purchasing them. This is one of those. We're going to be looking at Lumina. Look how luminescent she is. So this measures 50 centimeters by 70 centimeters. And it is a square diamond painting kit. As you can see, this is blue, so that means square. When you see Diamond Art Clubs that have the pink band here, that means that they're going to be a round kit. This came shipped to me inside of another box, and it is shrink wrapped, which I was going to remove before. Shrink wrapped? Is that the right word? I was going to remove this before the video, but I totally forgot, so let's just remove it right now. Okay, so let's get this plastic off. I'm going to throw it on the floor because that's how I clean. Just throw everything on the floor, pick it up later. Yay, okay. Here we go. I'm excited. You should be excited too. Tip this box upside down. Ooh, it's nice and thick. That's thick with 2 C's. Throw that box on the floor as well. It comes with this giant sticker. Along here you can see the color list. So it's going to be 37 colors, and with 3 ABs, Aurora Borealis paint drills. And I'll show you what that means, or how they differ from other ones. But it comes with, this is just a giant sticker, so that you can just cut these and then put them on your plastic containers or your baggies, however you want to kit up. And here's a bigger version of the thumbnail. She's just so pretty. I'm excited. And the artist is Jelina. Jelina. I don't know. That's who the artist is. This is my first diamond painting by this artist, and Diamond Art Club has a whole bunch by her, so I'm really stoked to see how she'll turn out. So it comes with that. It also comes with this toolkit. If you've never seen a Diamond Art Club toolkit, let's open it right now together. You get a blue pencil. I'm just going to move this out of the way so my camera wants to focus. You get a blue pencil, you get a blue pen, baggie, a whole bunch of baggies. You can move out of the way too. Sharp tweezers. Everyone says, these are sharp, so make sure you keep the plastic on them. Yes, I agree. We have more baggies, a clear tray for your diamonds or your drills, 2 of these cute little hearts, and a squishy for your pen. So it just goes like that. Ooh. It's a tight fit. Okay, I'm not even going to try. But anyways, your pen, the squishy thing basically goes on your pen like this, but it will be sticking out the top. I'm not even going to try and do it. And then it also comes with a multi-placer. It looks like a 4 count multi-placer. So this is basically, you can pick up 4 drills at the same time. Let's get this packed up. That is a tight fit. But these squishy things are so useful. I think I say it in every video. It will save your finger from heartache. From heartache? Does that make sense? I don't know. Who cares? Okay, so the kit is back in the little envelope it came in. Throw that over here. There was this. And then, oh, this also comes with your diamond painting, a little sticker. You can use it in your logbook or anywhere you like, basically. It's your sticker. You get to do whatever you want with it. A lot of people I've seen online, a lot of people will store their Diamond Art clubs and then they'll actually use the sticker on the end of the box, like here, so that they can see without having to pull out the box to see which diamond painting is inside the box. That's another way you can do it. Some people use it here. I've just been holding on to them. I don't really have a use for them, but they're really cute, and I think that they're super handy and useful to have them just in case. Now let's take a look at the giant canvas, shall we? Where's the opening? Here's the... oh. Here's the opening. Ooh, I'm excited. Who's excited? I am. Oh, it also comes with instructions. Step-by-step instructions. Thank you. Here's a code if you want to buy stuff. How to diamond paint if you're new to it. Tips and tricks. And then just the back here. These are our drills, which we'll take a look at afterwards. And oh, there's some really pretty colors in here. That's exciting. Ooh, okay, the canvas. It is really soft. If you've never had a Diamond Art Club, you will feel the softness and be like, Beverly, you were right. This is so soft. And like, can I just make it into a pillow? And let's take a look at the canvas. This isn't all going to fit in the frame. So let us rotate it. Sorry, it's on its side for you guys. But this is the only way I can really fit it all in. So there's that. So on the left-hand side, we have the schematic, and on the top right or the bottom right, however, if you're looking at it this way, you'll have the schematic down there as well, which is really handy because you'll want to have access to that while you're diamond painting. But again, the schematic is also on the sticker, so that makes it easy. Do what makes you sparkle. And then at the bottom down here, we have the social media information for Diamond Art Club, their lifetime guarantee, and then over here we have the information about the canvas. So it's called Lumina. Again, it's 19 inches by 27 inches, or 19.8 by 27.8, and it's copyright Myka, Jelina, and Diamond Art Club. Trademarked. This is really important because the artist actually gets paid, so it's licensed by Diamond Art Club. They're allowed to use her artwork, and a lot of diamond paintings that you'll find on like AliExpress or other websites, they're not licensed, so they actually just use the artwork without asking the artist permission, and they're making money off it. So it's important, and that's probably why you're also paying, besides the quality, you're also paying a lot for Diamond Art Club, because the work is actually licensed. So she's really pretty. Let's take a look at where the ABs are going to go. So the ABs, anything under 150 with Diamond Art Club, are considered Aurora Borealis drills. So that just means they have like a really cool sheen to them. They're extra shiny, sparkly. So we have number 1, 2, and 3. Those are our special drills. So let's look. So 1 is in the top corners here, and then it's also in her eyes, in her hair a little bit. So that's 1. Oh, and it's down here as well a little bit. It's that yellow color. And then 2, which is that green color, is in similar spots on the corner here. Hopefully you can see that in the corners. And then 2, where else is 2? There's 2s along here. And then there's also, I'm guessing, yeah, so there's also 2s down here as well. So that's going to be extra sparkly. And then the next one is 3. So again, let's see. Again, in the top corners here, there's 3s. And where else are there 3s? 3. There's a 3 in her eye, 3 in her lips, 3 in her ring, 3 in her bracelets, and then I'd imagine there's 3s, yeah, and there's 3s down here. We'll take a closer look at the canvas now, so we can see how the symbols are. Just from like glancing from afar, it doesn't look like there's going to be any issues with the symbols. Everything is printed quite clear. Definitely won't need a light pad, but use one if you wish. I really love how on, like, you know, on some canvases they'll have like a dark color and then they'll have the black, the symbol in black, and it's like black on a dark color and you can't see it very well. With Diamond Art Club, they make sure they have the white symbols on dark colors, so it's really easy to see. A detail of her face, let's take a look at that. So her eyes are really detailed, her nose and her mouth. I think faces are like the difficult part to render, and this looks like it's rendered really nicely. Then you have her crystal ball, and then down here, she's like one of those vending machines or like tarot vending machines where you select which astrology sign you are. She'll read your crystal ball and then it will be spit out on a card. Do you remember these? I used to see these all the time when I was in Banff. Like it's basically like a tourist area of my province, and they used to have these all the time, these machines. So it's pretty cool, and I knew that I really wanted this just because it reminded me of that when I was young, and also the painting itself is just freaking gorgeous. Freaking gorgeous, yes. I didn't use the actual F word, but frickin'. Now let's take a look at the drills before my phone dies. So I'll just take this, wrap it up, and let's do the drills. I'm gonna bring you down closer. Okay, let's take a look at the drills before my phone dies, please. So on the bag you have Lumina, so if you do store your diamond paintings separately from your drills, you will be able to find them easily and they won't get mixed up with other ones. Ooh, there's a whole ton of drills. I don't think I'm going to be doing the drill train thing just because there's so many. So let's see if we can find the ABs. I'm going to look for the ABs and you can view the drills train while I'm doing that. So here's the green. Really, really pretty. You can see the extra sparkle. These are really easy to show you the difference. So you can see there's like the pearlescent, pearly layer on them. And then on here, compared to here, there's no layer on them. So that's what the AB is. And then, where else are they? 137, so this is an AB as well. You can really tell by the blue sheen to them. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then there's one more. Here's the last one. So just this yellow color. That'll be really cute. Okay, let's just go through the rest of the drills, because why not? A lot of 310. Whole crap load of 310. Then let's look at these. These are all the colors that are in the diamond painting. They are really pretty. Just going through them quickly, so you guys don't have to sit through everything. Lots of 803s. throw that on the floor. 3371s, there's lots of that. Another one, 938, 2 of those. And yeah, so those are the drills. I'm really excited for this canvas. It may be my next project. I haven't decided yet. I'm trying to take a break from the larger ones and trying to do something smaller, just because I've been doing large ones for a while and it's kind of getting a lot for me. So I don't know if I'll do this one next, but it is on my to-do list for one that I'm going to try and do soon. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, or if you have this kit as well, drop a comment and let me know what you think about it. What's on your Diamond Art Club wish list? Tell me in the comments which ones which canvases you're after. I really like knowing what other people like on Diamond Art Club, because there's so many, and there's so many different styles to accompany people's different tastes. If you like this video, please hit the like button, which is a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, it'd be greatly appreciated. It's free to do. All you have to do is hit subscribe, and then you'll see new videos from me. I'll be unboxing a couple more Diamond Art Clubs and some smaller paintings that are randomly on their way. I'll also be doing a work in progress chat, or I might make it an ASMR, because I don't really have that much stuff that I want to say while I'm diamond painting, but we'll see. So thank you so much for joining me though. Have a great day and a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.